Hello lovely, in this video I will show you how to have multiple YouTube channels under one email address so that it makes it easier. You don't have to log into a different email address for each channel you want to create. The link you want to go to is youtube.com/channel_switcher. As you can see here, I have one for my Lady Mora, which is my stationery channel, my Travel with Lady, which is my blog, and I'm going to create a new channel for Grow with Lady, which is the channel you will be watching this on. My brand account name, I just name it my business name. So Grow with Lady, we'll click create. And we've created a new channel. To switch between your accounts, you can click this icon up here and click switch account, and you can switch between these different accounts. You can see here, this has no channel under it, and this has 40 subscribers for my stationery channel, the channel you're viewing this on now, and my blog. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any video in our YouTube setup series. I will have a link to that video on the screen right now, or you can click it in the description box below. I am starting you from the very beginning of setting up your channel so that you can totally rock it on YouTube.